All right, guys, I'm out of my tent. I'm walking down to Walmart. I got to see where I'm going. This is not good. I gotta have some juice in my phone. Got like 10%. And look, I come from way back there. All right, we're out here. Dude, this is crazy. I have to have power in the morning. Y'all got to forgive me for this darkness, but I gotta have this power, man. Because if I don't have this power, I can't get my phone call that's coming tomorrow. I got to do something tomorrow. Trying to get up out of these woods. But I'm going to go down here and sit beside a soda machine. It's pretty dark. And I'm going to have to sit there probably 30 minutes. Maybe a little longer. And I'm not even sure what time it is. It is 8:30 p.m. here on the East Coast. I'm going to walk y'all. Y'all going to be all the way to that soda machine where the outlets are. Thank goodness it's not cold. Thank goodness there's cameras all around Walmart. And thank goodness I got this weapon on me. Whew. Coming up on some lights. Ah, boy. This is crazy. But I gotta have some power. I got my devices. Well, the other device doesn't matter. It's my tablet. But this phone has got to have juice. I know I should have worn my black hoodie, but I do got my black pants on. Man, if somebody tries to follow me back, that's not going to be good. A lot of homeless people that walk around here and ride their bicycles through here. And I'm breathing hard because I came through the woods. I hit my head on a freaking daggone tree limb. And I was trying not to step over roots, trees that, tree limbs and stuff. I had to trip and fall and kill myself in the woods when nobody knew I was back there. Until God knows how long. But I think Walmart closes at 11. I'm not sure. But I'm going to sit up here and try to get as much juice as I can on this phone. I'll sit up here until about 9:30 if I can. And hope nobody messes with me. Keep a positive outlook on things. Dang it. Whew. Crazy, huh? The stuff you gotta do. Thank goodness I'm close to electricity. Because all them power bank things I bought from Walmart were ripoffs. And I charged them and they didn't even charge my device 10% before they died. And then the other 4 big ones, I ain't been anywhere able to charge them. They take a long time to charge. The library, like I said, they've closed off their charging outlet things. So I'm around front almost. I'm at lawn and gardening. Whew. Lawn and gardening. Yeah. crazy. I tried to get juice on my stuff today. I don't know what's pulling my juice. All I uploaded was 2 short videos. I got a freaking piece of hair in my fingernail caught. Parking lot's full. Quite a few people. It's warm out tonight. Ooh, these plants smell good. They pretty. They smell good. So I'm headed right up here to these drink machines. Looking all conspicuous. So suspecty. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh, what a piece of hair was bothering me. Okay, so we made it to where I'm gonna get my juice. Right here. Whew. Dang it. Ooh, Lord. Alright. Let me sit. Oh, God. Sit down for a minute. And, get my things out. My charger plugs. Y'all give me a minute here. I gotta have some juice, dude. You know, Ainsley fucks about that. Gotta have some. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this video off while I'm powering this phone. I'm gonna upload this and keep y'all informed on what's going on. Look, I just broke another nail. Nails won't work for stuff. They were crap. $8 nails, I'll take them back into the Walmart. Say, look, give me my money back for these super daggone nails. Alright guys, I love you. I'll take another video on the way back. Peace.